Hi, my name is Morgan Williams, and today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use Poll Everywhere. What is Poll Everywhere? Poll Everywhere is an amazing study and review tool. It has similar qualities to Kahoot, Quizzes, and Quizlet. You have the ability to create polls, Q&As, multiple choice, and open-ended questions. It is free to use. It is extremely easy to use, and it is a great study tool for both students and teachers. So this is Poll Everywhere. This is the home page. Right here, you can see recent activities. Really helpful in case you need to just jump something quickly. You can go to activities so you can see the list of activities you've already created, or you can create a new activity. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to create a new activity. You have multiple choice, word cloud, Q&A, clickable images, survey, open-ended, in competition. So for something like this, you have multiple choice. You have multiple choice questions, so you can see the correct answer and the percentage of people that got it correct and the people that got it incorrect, and it shows you the percentage of what people answered for each question. That way you know if a majority of the class got the answer incorrect, you can see what they thought was the correct answer and maybe get to the root of why they thought it was an incorrect answer. It's a wonderful study tool. Another cool thing is that you're able to edit any of these that you make after creating them. So you can edit each one of these or delete. We're going to edit. You can add another question. How many moons does the Earth have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can put 20. And you can save that. And that'll be the new option. Those will be the new options. Or you can add a whole new question. So now I'll be walking you through how to actually make one of these. So we're going to go to Activity. And we're going to go to, let's do a survey. Alright, and now let's come up with a question. Best ice cream flavor, and some responses. Another really cool thing is that if you don't want to do on multiple choice, you can do any of the other options. You can do a Q&A, a style question, a word cloud, clickable image, open-ended text, or a ranking. So we're going to do open-ended text. That way other people can put in their inputs. That way you don't miss somebody's opinion. You're going to add another question. Let's do something with like only 4 options. Best season. And now we're going to create. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to share these with people. So let's go to the survey we just created. Oops. Alright, so you're going to click share and copy response link, and you're going to share that with your students however you best communicate with them. And after you share it, you're going to activate. Now you can activate it either from here and it pops up right here, and you can see your active surveys or activities. And you can also activate it from here and activate or deactivate it.